Hello friends, welcome back to tutscorner.com videos. How to make tomato juice from fresh tomatoes. Making tomato juice from fresh tomatoes is a quick and enjoyable way to capture summer's flavors. This nutritious drink is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, perfect on its own or as a base for soups and sauces. Here is a simple recipe for making tomato juice from fresh tomatoes. Ingredients: to make tomato juice, you will need 6 to 8 ripe tomatoes, about 2 pounds. 1 teaspoon salt, optional. Seasonings to taste, like black pepper, basil or garlic. Optional, lemon juice for extra flavor. Step-by-step instructions. Prepare the tomatoes. First, wash the tomatoes under cold water to remove any dirt. If you want smoother juice, you can peel them. To peel, cut a small X shape on the bottom of each tomato. Then place them in boiling water for about 30 seconds. After that, move them to a bowl of ice water to cool. The skins will come off easily. Cut and blend. Next, cut the peeled tomatoes into quarters. Put the tomato pieces into a blender or food processor. Blend until the mixture is smooth. If you prefer chunkier juice, blend for a shorter time. Strain the juice. Pour the blended tomatoes through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a large bowl or pitcher. Use a spatula to press down on the mixture to get as much juice out as possible. Season and serve. Taste your juice and add salt and any other seasonings you like. You can also add a splash of lemon juice for extra flavor. Chill the juice in the refrigerator for a while or enjoy it right away over ice. Making tomato juice from fresh tomatoes is a simple and satisfying process. With just a few steps, you can enjoy a refreshing and nutritious drink at home. Cheers to your homemade tomato juice. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.